So today is Tuesday, and that means band practice. Normally the boys don't like me hanging around, but they don't seem to mind as long as I bring the snacks. Snacks incoming, and I don't mind either because these are all natural. Whoa, it's hot in here. Must be all the rock stars. Hey, where's Timmy?
He's sick today.
Did someone say villain? Ever hear of a little band called the Blonde Bombers? No? We were popular in the 80s. All right, check. Are you guys ready to rock? Yeah, I've been told I'm a natural. Oh, you mean the chips? Yeah, they're all natural too.
We make it natural, you make it fun.